and spaghetti
Okay.
and ketchup with rice and happy birthday to you.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Rochelle Pangilinan, natawa sa wishlist ng kanyang anak na si Shiloh, para sa ika-5 taong kaarawan nito. Sa darating na February 27 ang kapanganakan nito, kaya naman nagpaplano na sila ng kanilang gagawin, ayon sa kagustuhan ng anak ni Rochelle. Samantala, sa isa pang video ni Shiloh ay feel nito ang pagkanta ng birthday song, na muling ikinatawa ng kanyang nanay. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga gusto ng anak ni Rochelle para sa kanyang 5th birthday? Atin itong panoorin, pero bago yan, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para maging updated sa iba pa nating celebrity chika.
Chicken and spaghetti
Okay.
and ketchup with rice and gravy and okay, that's it.
That's good.
Ice cream.
Okay, that's it lang?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you want to eat. Where do you want to go naman on your birthday on Saturday?
Kidzuna time zone. Eat pasyal
Okay. Kidzuna, time zone, pasyal, and
and room. Hotel room.
hotel room tayo.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.